Happy birthday, my boy.
Hey, wait, what's the candle? Hello guys, today we're going to the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, and I brought my net to catch whatever I see. But we're still on the way there, so let's go.
Where are we going?
We're going to the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve.
What is it there?
We are trying to find skinks, baby monitors, or any other animal. Let's do this.
But it's very hot though. It's 3 a.m. in 3 p.m. in the afternoon.
I know.
Daddy is.
Hello, we are close to Bukit Timah already. It says Bukit Timah Visitor Center Summit. So I guess we just need to go there, keep going there, and we're there already.
Go.
And I'm starting to see some pictures. If you've got me, you want to share me. If you want to share me, you didn't keep me. What am I? Pause the video to give your answer. The answer is a secret. Oh, monitors. Where? There, monitors. It says here. There are some.
Remember in East Coast, there's monitor lizards.
Wow.
They're near the water body,
Hey, what?
so we can see the monitor lizard.
Hey,
Ini sayur kan? Sayur yang biasa buat tauco itu. We're going up, all the way up. So we're still going up, right? Lookout point, Waringin Hut.
But where's the river?
Where are you going there?
No, I see. I'm on top of the world.
Yeah. No, I'm the king of the world. Why? What is the matter with I'm the king of the world? You don't want to?
I am the king of the world.
You can say also, I'm on top of the
I'm
world.
on the top of the world. Okay, Daddy is going to lift that log right there. I'm not sure if there's a snake or 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my, oof.
Nothing here.
There's nothing?
Just that one.
What's that?
Stop.
Stop. Oh. Zoom in. Where? Zoom into where?
These things.
Here?
And then also these things. Just gonna take it.
Whoa, what are... Oh, there's a millipede. Alright, I'll just cut the video. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Wow, what is that? Cockroach?
Yeah, I think there's a cockroach.
It's a what do you call that?
It's a forest
Forest.
cockroach.
At least it's not a toilet cockroach, right?
Yeah, it's definitely not a toilet cockroach. Those are gross. Ew. There might be some things on the log.
Okay.
Nothing.
Bro is doing something. What the heck? Use your hand lah. That's the thing. Use your hand.
What?
A tarantula.
Yes, yes.
A trapdoor.
A trap.
Oh wow! Look at this beauty. This is beautiful. You want to swim?
No.
You want me to throw you there?
No. Is that one? There, I see one. Monitor.
Oh yeah. He finally see it. Oh, it's gone. He finally encountered it. Where's the guy? Where is it? Are you happy seeing it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Where did it go?
I know where it went.
Oh, there.
Yeah, all the way there.
No, no, just see from here.
Oh.
What is that, bro?
Oh.
What is that? Is that Komodo?
Yeah, I think that's a... No, Komodo don't live in Singapore.
I mean, lizard?
I think so. How in the world did he get up there?
Right.
Yeah, how do you know?
But it doesn't move in it at all.
Yeah.
It's so high up.
It's...
What is that?
Tamil में उडुम
Udum.
उडुम
Udum.
Tamil
Tamil Udum. Okay. Udum.
my people are in
Where is it? Oh, there.
Okay, we have seen 2 monitor lizards, 1 snake, 2 squirrels, and 1 grasshopper. Although
Turtle.
Huh?
We saw turtle.
Oh yeah, and 1 turtle. But actually 2 grasshoppers. Actually 2 grasshoppers because I stumbled upon one when I was walking.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Go this way.
we need to go
This way.
This way.
King.
Okay, this is the end of the day, and we have caught something where we have never caught before. This is not a chicha, not a house lizard, definitely, because of its color of the skin. So I heard it a little bit, but that's by the tail. I think
It looks the head of it looks like a caiman.
really, and it's not a chicha because of those claws there. So
What is it then?
what I caught is not a chicha.
What is
Okay,
it then?
um,
Show me the whole body of it.
the whole body here. Okay, it's
It's not
skin.
the whole body. Okay.
I can't show the top part of it because okay. Let's try to Google it.